Talofa everyone. Talofa for the Shuma for the hour. Here is a presentation for the final network implementation plan for the Pacific Pulse Media Network. The scenario that I have selected, tell me more. So here's a overview of the company. The company is a regional broadcasting organization serving the Pacific communities. It delivers multimedia content and across the headquarters or HQ, regional stations, and remote journalists. So the focus that would be a reliability, good performance, and the security and scalability. So the key design decision and rationality. So the hierarchical star topology for scalability and simplicity. So by using the dual ISP links for redundancy and uptime, when the ISP1 goes down, and then there's a backup ISP that provides the network. So the VLAN segmentation for security and performance. So the use of Cat6 plus fiber uplinks for high speed and 802 high speed 802.11 AC or AX Wi-Fi for high density user environment. So the network topology visual, first they provide and they sit in 3 layers, which is first the core layer, second distribution layer, and the last one access layer. So redundant routers plus NGFW, which is the next generation firewalls. Distribution switches with VLANs, the access layer for editors, publishers, which is the user, the Wi-Fi for staff, and also the guest and VPN users. Here is a table of department and their VLAN ID and their IB subnet. The table provides or divides the network into multiple VLANs, each assigned to a specific department, which is first the IT admin. Here it assigned VLAN 10. It uses a smaller 27 subnet, providing tighter security and fewer devices. Editing the VLAN's ID VLAN 20, publishing the VLAN ID, which is the VLAN 30, and journalist the VLAN 40. Each use 26 subnets to support larger numbers of devices. The Wi-Fi for the staff and guests, VLAN 50, their VLAN's ID has its own 26 subnets to isolate guest users from internal system. So separating departments into VLANs improves security, the traffic management, and overall network performance. O nga o mafuanga nga separating nga awang whaavelave awala o le network. and also secure the informations of different departments, and also network performance, relay performance. So here is the Pacific Pulse Media Network. Maka mayroong AIDA, ISP1, ISP2, co-formal router, and also the router, or the firewall, then the Ethernet, which is yearly distribution, the switches, and then this is the distribution switch 2. Here's a male memon modiro le access the access layers, which is the users. So for security strategy highlights, so the NGFW, which is the next generation firewall with IDS or IBS, the IDS or IBS. The IDS stands for Intrusion Detection System. The IBS is Intrusion Prevention System, plus SSL, which is the SSL is Secure Socket Ledger Inspection. So 82.1x and NAC. So the NAC is the Network Access Control and Zero Trust Approach. So encrypted IPsec, which is the Internet Protocol sector. For remote journalists. So immutable backups plus disaster recovery test. And the last one for security, RBAC, which is the role-based access control, plus ACL, access control list, strict access control. Ingaw lat o nga yelo. Ko nga mga foi strict nisi me access may sa website. So the network management strategy, so centralize the network management system for monitoring and alerts. The second one, the quality of service or QoS, prioritization for video, quality of video, the voice and media files. Third one, automation through Ansible or Terraform. The fourth one, only CDN, or the long form for CDN is Content Delivery Network, plus catching to improve content delivery. The last one for network management strategy, regular documentation and audit. So budget overview for the proposal and everything they have to use to create or implement a network for Pacific Pulse Media Network is that first, it should have a core routers. It also should have a next generation firewall, the switches, the APS, the servers, the UBS or generator, cloud CDN, plus backup services. It should have the backup services. So the total cost or the total estimate for this proposal is 96,800. Phase rollout to ensure affordability and minimal disruption. Afford Yeah, afford, which is although tango fee the network implementation. So the final reflection for this proposal. First, design meets business goals. First, reliable, progressing, high availability, secure access. Secure me umo. So the second one, the design meets technical goals. What are the technical goals? Scalable, manageable, high performance structure. So the third one is supports staff efficiency, secure journalism workflow. Nation me fa polina ya lai work ya journalism ya or flow why nation me fa polina and future expansion. So this provides a professional future ready network for Pacific Pulse Media Network when it's time they want to expand the business. So that means it can be uh, reliable, high availability, secure access. It's also a scalable, manageable, high performance structure. Yeah, and that's all from me for today. 5 11 Manuel Fief.